Hey guys, it's Jason Schellenberg here from Oilcanfinish down visiting Jackson's Fencing. They've just redone their display, so I figured I'd take the opportunity to show you the difference between a few different panels. It's easier to visualize. This is a Metro panel. You can see how it meets the post. It's a face mounted, screwed there to the post. You can add the capping rails as well, but that's a face mounted Venetian style with a bit more modern touches, the chamfered edges. And then you compare that to Venetian, where you do have some visibility through the back. And that's the Venetian panel. Again, it's got the capping rail on top. And then you've got the Venetian hit and miss with no visibility through. So just side by side, that's Venetian on the right and Venetian hit and miss on the left. So the difference is the visibility through two panels. And then the third option is something like Metro, where you can fully see through it. The gaps between the boards are quite larger, but for a modern looking sort of trellis feature or partition, brilliant.